Hello student, and you all are welcome to my channel. This is Rashmi Sinha, and here I'm back with my second video of number system, which was creating a problem for many of you. So I got a number of requests to shoot it again, so I'm going to start and to shoot you and to make you clear from the previous video. So let's start. So today we are going to talk on conversion and number system. As you already know that we have to start by decimal to binary. The first conversion which I am going to show you in this particular video, that is decimal to binary. So for decimal number I have chosen one simple number, that is 25. You can see the 25 is written here, and the value is written 10. That means this is a decimal number. When its base is 10, the base is always written down to the number, and it shows that's what is this number. So for example, 25 base 10, this is a decimal number. Let's start. The process of changing decimal to binary is very clear and simple. You are only supposed to allow to take division and by the value 2. You will only divide by 2. The little division process has changed here. Suppose I am dividing 25 by 2. So 12s are 24. Means the nearest value 12s are 24 comes. But when we divide 24, when we minus 24, one value left. So the left value, the remainder, I am writing right side, and the number by which I am dividing is written down. Again, I have to minimize this 12. So I have written 6. 2 6 are 12. This time no remainder left. So we have written 0. Similarly, 2 3s are 6. So no remainder. So 0 is given. And again 2 1s are 2. But still 1 left. 2 1s are 2 because 1 by 1 I divided. So 1 is written and remainder left 1. So these are the value we got, and always you can see this arrow shows that you have to count the value from down to up, not from up to down. Don't think if the values are same, sometimes the values come same, then also always follow this process from down to left. So the answer comes 11 000 and then 1. You can see the answer, and I have fixed the base, that is 2. That means it's now converted as a binary number. So this is the process of 2-digit, or you can apply for 3-digit, or you can apply for the single digit also for converting the decimal to binary. Hope you get it. Any kind of doubts are most welcome. Please mention down in my comment box, and do share and like these videos. So come to the decimal to, as I have converted this number in a binary. So I'm showing you how binary is converted to decimal again. So for this example, I am changing the same number which I have got the answer of 25. So I'm showing you how 25 will back again. So by this way, our two tasks will be done. One, this binary will convert in decimal again, and you will verify this binary value that it is correct or not. So let's start the binary to decimal. Look at the process. As the answer is given, what I have written, I have written with the space. All the answer I have written with the space. This is my personal way of doing, and this way is actually I find very easy, so I am teaching you. Now you put a multiply sign everywhere, okay? And use 2 to multiply. In the previously we have divide, and in this we are multiplying. Remember, 2 to the power 0. We'll start always the value by 0, never by 1. So this is the least LSD, because this number is the least number. You can see this is the unit place, and this is the most significant digit place. So this unit place will start by 2 to the power 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, and then 5. If the numbers are more, we'll continue with this, like 2 to the power 6, and then 7, and many more. Now what I did, I solved this. 2 to the power 0 becomes 1, not 0. So when you multiply by 1, it will come 1. All the multiplication where 0 is the value, always we get the answer 0. So similarly here also 0, here also 0, and here is 8, because 2 to the 4 is written. 4 times you have to multiply 2. So you'll get 8, and here 5 times, so we get 16. When we add all the numbers, we'll get 25 back, which is a decimal number. So this is the way of doing how to solve a decimal to binary, and then again binary to decimal. Now few things you must remember while solving, because many of the students, not even the very smart children, are also doing these mistakes. So these mistakes you avoid while making this. While converting binary, always take the value down to up. As I told you here, the down to up values you take. Do not make mistake to up to down. Your whole answer will become wrong. Second is, upmost value is the least value. Upmost value, because I have noted this, so this value is the upmost value and this goes here, so we count as a least value. Right to left put powers while making decimals. If you are making decimal number, means here if you are converting the right to left, this is the right side and this is my left side, so from here the powers will start, not from here this side. So here you will start the powers and it will always start by 0 also. 2 to the power 0 is always 1. Any number which has a power 0 is 1 always. Like a to the power 0 is also 1. So don't write 0. So always avoid these mistakes, and I am showing you some more in my next screen. Just wait. Okay students, so we are back to the second conversion, and that is decimal to octal and vice versa. But before that I would like to explain you first that why वी आर यूजिंग ऑक्टल नंबर. अब ये कन्फ्यूजन तो आपको आराम से होने वाला है, क्योंकि हम बाइनरी तो यूज़ करते कंप्यूटर के लिए, करेक्ट, और डेसिमल यूज़ करते खुद के लिए. मीन्स डेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम इज़ वर्ल्ड वाइड सिस्टम, जो कि हमारे फिजिक्स के मेजरमेंट सिस्टम में भी एडेड है, बिकॉज हम ज़ीरो में, यूनिट प्लेसेस में और टेंस प्लेसेस में काउंट करते हैं नंबर्स को. फिर ये नंबर सिस्टम ऑक्टल कहाँ से आया? एक्चुअली इन अमेरिका, they are the one who invented all the softwares and all the systems, so we have to respect them. So they are counting number by using the space between their fingers rather than using their fingers. हम अपनी उंगलियां काउंट करते हैं, राइट? अगर आपको मैं काउंटिंग करने बोलूँ तो आप अपने फिंगर्स काउंट करके 5 और 5 10 बोलोगे. बट इन अमेरिकन्स दे वर यूजिंग दिस सिस्टम, जिसमें वो फिंगर्स के बीच के जो गड्ढे हैं उनको काउंट करते हैं, और उस तरह से काउंटिंग में आती है उनकी टोटल 8 वैल्यूज. तो उन्होंने ये नंबर सिस्टम बनाया, जिसका छोटा सा चार्ट नीचे है, जिसमें उन्होंने 4 बिट का 1 निबल रखा, एंड फिर जब 2 बिट्स होती है तो वो बन जाता है 1, 2 निबल्स होती है तो वो बन जाता है 8 बिट, और 1 बिट का 1 बाइट होता है. दिस बाइट सिस्टम कन्वर्ट इन अ लेटर बाइनरी सिस्टम. तो एक्चुअली अगर आप ऑक्टल नंबर सिस्टम के बारे में पूछे तो वो उतनी ज़्यादा नॉट इन वर्क, बट स्टिल इन अमेरिका समवेयर द ऑक्टल एज वेल एज आर नंबर सिस्टम which is taking 7 bytes और also being used. तो चलिए कन्वर्जन पे चलते हैं. सो जैसे मैंने आपको एक डबल डिजिट दिखाया हुआ है 33, ठीक है, एंड उसके नीचे बेस है 10, एंड व्हेन यू डिवाइड बाय 8, चूंकि आपने बाइनरी में 2 यूज किया था तो इस बार आप 8 यूज करोगे, एंड व्हेन यू डिवाइड बाय 8, 8 4s are 32, तो 33 में 32 माइनस करेंगे तो क्या बच जाना है? रिमाइंडर 1. इसलिए मैंने लिखा है 4 नीचे. 8 4s are 32 एंड 1 लेफ्ट. तो हमें डाउन से अप की तरफ जाना है, तो हमारा नंबर होगा 4 and 1, तो दैट इज 41, जो ऑक्टल में कन्वर्ट हो चुका है. अब मैं इसी डिजिट को वापस कन्वर्ट कर देती हूँ डेसिमल में, यानी वाइस वर्सा. अब देखिए, ये रहा आपका वो नंबर 48 जो आपने ऑलरेडी ऑक्टल बना दिया है. बिल्कुल प्रीवियस प्रोसेस को फॉलो कीजिए, 4 और 1 को सेपरेट करके लिखिए. इस बार हर जगह, एवरीवेयर, वेर एवर यू आर डिवाइडिंग और मल्टीप्लाइंग, ऑलवेज यूज 8, क्योंकि ये है ऑक्टल नंबर सिस्टम. तो मैंने 8 का पावर 0 and 1 रखा, सिंपली मल्टीप्लाई किया और फिर उसको ऐड किया, तो मुझे नंबर मिल गया वापस से 33. मैं एक और एग्जाम्पल दे रही हूँ आपको ताकि आप और क्लियर हो जाए. इस बार मैंने ट्रिपल डिजिट को यूज किया है, 248. 248 व्हेन यू डिवाइड, ये देखिए डिवीजन, जब आप 248 को डिवाइड करते हैं तो वो 31 से पूरी तरह से डिवाइड हो जाता है, एंड उसका रिमाइंडर मिलता है 0. तो हमने 31 लिखा यहाँ पर. 8 31s are 248, यानी रिमाइंडर क्या मिली? 0. दूसरी बार 8 3s हमने 24 हमने लिया है, और जब हम उसे 31 से माइनस करेंगे तो हमारा रिमाइंडर बचता है 7. एक बात याद रखिए, ऑक्टल की रेंज होती है 0 से 7, यानी आपके आंसर 0 से 7 के बीच ही होने चाहिए. ये नहीं कि आपका आंसर 9 आ जाए या आपका आंसर 8 आ जाए, वो नहीं आ सकता है, बिकॉज आपकी रेंज 0 से 7 है. तो हमेशा ऑक्टल के आंसर 0 से 7 के बीच ही आएंगे. तो इस तरह से मुझे डिजिट मिली, जो मैंने डाउन टू अप दिखाया है वो है 370. 370 अभी मेरा ऑक्टल में कन्वर्ट हो चुका है. अब मैं इसे वापस कन्वर्जन आप करना चाहते हैं तो सेम यही प्रोसेस आप फॉलो करेंगे। बिल्कुल यहाँ पर वैसे ही 8 to the power 0, 3 डिजिट का नंबर है 370, तो आप 0 पर लगाएंगे 8 to the power 0, 7 पे लगाएंगे 8 to the power 1 और 3 पे लगाएंगे 8 to the power 2 and then multiply and then add it. So this is the way we use. तो आज हमारा कंप्लीट हो रहा है डेसिमल टू बाइनरी एंड बाइनरी टू डेसिमल एंड देन octal to decimal and decimal to octal. So hope you get it. Any kind of doubt, please mention down. Do share, like and subscribe my channel, and thank you those who are doing. Stay safe at home and take care. Bye bye.